Before we start, let's have a look at some useful vocabulary. Repeat after me. Shapes: circle, oval, square, rectangle, line, round. Body: eyes, antennas, tail, legs. Candle, flame, small. Material you will need: a white piece of paper, a pencil, an eraser, crayons or color pencils. Let's start by drawing a small circle. For the body, we will draw a shape similar to a square with round corners. Then small rectangle. For the tail, a candle flame shape. And for the eyes, 2 small circles. Inside the 2 circles, we're going to draw 4 more. For the antennas, we're going to draw 2 lines and 2 small oval shapes. And for the legs, 2 straight lines plus a small oval shape for each leg. Ta-da! Thanks a lot!